In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete labels on the Gmail app. If you're someone who uses Gmail regularly, you know how easily those labels can pile up, cluttering your workspace and making it difficult to find what you need. So let's take some time today to simplify and tidy up your Gmail app by removing those unnecessary labels. First things first, you'll want to open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Once inside, take a look at the top left corner of your screen, where you'll see 3 horizontal lines. This icon is known as the menu button, sometimes referred to as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap on that to open up the main navigation menu. As you scroll through this menu, you'll notice a list of your current labels appearing. These could range from default ones, like starred or important, to any custom labels you might have created in the past. Now, for the purpose of cleaning things up, we're going to be focusing on those custom labels. Next, it's essential to move over to a desktop or a laptop. This might sound like an extra step, but trust me, handling labels is way simpler and more effective when done on a larger screen. So, once you're at your computer, go ahead and log into your Gmail account using your preferred web browser. After logging in, look towards the upper right side of the Gmail interface for the gear icon. That's your settings. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, choose See All Settings. This will direct you to the settings page where all the magic happens. Once you're in the settings page, look for the tab that says Labels. Click on that. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the labels that currently exist in your Gmail account, including both default and custom labels. For those custom ones that you're considering deleting, locate them on the list. To the right of each label, you should see an option that says Remove. When you click on Remove, Gmail will prompt you with a confirmation message. This is just to ensure that you really want to delete this particular label. If you're sure about your decision, go ahead and confirm. Remember, deleting a label doesn't delete the emails that were labeled with it. Your messages still exist and can be found in the All Mail section. Deleting labels is simply about removing that specific organizational tool. And there you have it. After following these steps, you should notice that your Gmail space feels a bit more organized and manageable. Regular maintenance like this can help keep your digital life clutter-free. I hope this guide was helpful, and make sure to subscribe for more tips on how to make technology work better for you.